embarrassing moments.
Yeah. What is up, familia? Wait, let me do a mic check so that way I'm not talking too much and then not capturing anything. All right, what is up, you guys, man? It's your boy Taxi. PNG, we're back at it again with another one, man. Today we have Viana. Our last few videos have been going pretty viral and you guys asked for her back quite literally. Usually I'll lie and say, you know, I mean, you guys asked for her back, but you guys actually did this time. So we're gonna go ahead and make something really cool, you know what I'm saying? So today we have a whole bunch of jeans. You guys may be asking what the heck, hell, and things of that nature we're doing with these. But we're gonna create a jean wall. Something like this right here. It's gonna look pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? If you guys see, that's the image of how it all came out. Usually I'll try to show you guys the image of the inspiration, but this time I'm gonna just show you guys the finished product, and then you guys can see like, oh my god, that was actually pretty cool, because I'm aspiring that we're gonna create something freaking lit, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna be having these up here, bam. And maybe you're asking, oh my gosh, how are you gonna get them to stick, right? We can do one of two things. We can do tape, or we can do staples. I got staples. Maybe we can use staples. But the only thing about it is you have to take the staples out of the jeans afterwards, because you don't want somebody to put the jeans on after and go, and now we gotta cut up their legs. So, yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get that together. We're gonna start the process, give you guys a little bit of montage, blah, 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 and that, let's do it. The first jean has been added, you guys. As you can see, we have this jean right here. It looks like a damn yarn, you know what I'm saying? Like somebody just went wham, wham, you know what I'm saying? So literally, I think like the framework now is just kind of like going in within this. So maybe, because first I want to try to like cover as much ground as possible. So maybe I throw a leg in here and then have like that leg going down. So instead of like trying to like cover over each other first, just try to cover as much ground as we can. So maybe I'll do this one this way to match this, so that we're kind of getting a little bit closer to the floor, right? So, okay, bet. So literally that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go down a little bit more with this one. So shorts right here to fill out. Yeah, see, there we go. All right, hold this side. There you go. Tuck that bit.
And a lot of these don't even fit me anymore, so I don't even give a shit.
Oh, they're from that one bucket you had, or that one bag.
It's just been sitting in the garage.
Right, you can let it go. There we go. Yeah, see, there we go. So now we already got something going here. Yeah, as you guys can see, man, we got that thing set up. About to go ahead and get them shots. And yeah, I'm shooting on the Sony a7S III per usual. I'm gonna be having my SK400 right here, you guys. I'm using one light today. I'm not gonna use multiple, I'm gonna use one. I'm not gonna like make myself, you know, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. But I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for you guys. So if you guys have an 8200 or a 400 or whatever one light that you have, you don't have to have two. You don't have to have multiple lights. If you have one light, you can use that one light to capture this amazing imagery that we're about to, you know, that you're about to witness. Up the scope, bam. So literally I'm gonna have this light just flashing straight at my subject, not straight, but like 45-degree angle down towards my subject to be able to really, you know, capture her essence. Where's my reflector DIY? My DIY reflector from the Mylar that I made. If you guys didn't see this how-to tutorial, I made a video on it. I'm gonna put this right in front so that way this can bounce that light up. I'm gonna put it on this little piece of wood right here so that way it has a little bit of an angle on it so that light can hit, bam, bam. So any spill that comes on these other sides, it will bounce up towards my subject. Yeah. But yeah, so today we have a little bit of jean fit vibe, you guys see. As you know, we're about to have some fun with it. I made this by hand. These are all of her and her brother's jeans, you guys. And then my jeans are on the floor. But these are cool. I feel like you guys can see this, man. If you guys want to see the full thing, watch the YouTube video, because the behind the scenes is gonna be smacking. But we saw this little vibe idea, you know, from a special someone called Pinterest. And we wanted to bring it to life. So today, we're bringing it to life. You guys see my setup right now. I have my little reflector at the bottom to bounce up those shadows, and then I have my light at the top at a 45-degree angle down so my subject is it's gonna catch all of the essence. You know what I'm saying? A one light setup, not a two light setup, a one light setup. So anybody can do this. You got one light, you got an 8200, you got a flash, you got a continuous light, whatever you got, however you wanna shoot, you can do it. Let's do it. All right, I'm gonna turn my trigger on. And I'm gonna do some test shots first. I always do the test shots first, geese, just to see what I'm working with, making sure that I'm in JPEG and RAW, you guys. Taking a shot. Let me see, hold it. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I think I already got it right. So right now I'm at F7. I'm gonna, like when I'm in studio now, I figured out, man, I like to shoot higher in studio. Like now that I'm in studio a lot, I like to shoot at a higher f-stop because I want everything to be in focus. I want to see the texture of those jeans when I go down to edit it, okay? I want to be able to see every little thing that'll be in focus. I'm at ISO 400, I'm gonna go to ISO 100 to release, lessen down some of that noise. I'm at 250 shutter always. I never go below that. I never really go above it either. I'm trying to get that little bit of motion. If her hair moves a little bit, I can catch every follicle of that hair, okay? Let's see, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is a darker vibe, but I'm gonna go down on my F to F5 flat, hold it. I'm gonna go up on my ISO to 640 and go back up on my F, because I want my F to be high. There we go, F. There we go, one more, hold it. Oh, this is cute, hold it, one more. All right, we're still in the testing mode, you guys. My lighting is at 1/64. I'm gonna go down to 1/32 so that I can get a little bit more powerful. 1/32 flat. Let me see how bright that is. It's really bright. I'm gonna go down on my ISO now because I can. Let me see. Good thing you found that out while we're testing. To the testers, this is the test. All right, bet. I got it to where I wanted it, you guys. So the setting that I'm stuck at is ISO 500. My F is at 8 and my shutter is at 250. This is what I'm probably gonna be using throughout the entire shoot and just moving my light around as needed, okay? I'm gonna give you guys a new angle. Let's do it. Making sure y'all boys rolling. Y'all, nope. There we go. Real shit though. All right, let's see. Oh, oh, oh. In camera view of this shoot right here with the jeans on the wall. You may be asking how we got the jeans up there. We used the staple gun and a lot of pairs of jeans. If you guys want a little hack, go to your local Goodwill, get you some jeans to get the biggest pair that they have and make sure that they're on sale. Goodwill has colors. Make sure that they're on sale and get the ones that are on sale and you'll look something like this if you want to shoot like this. See? 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. And you may be asking, what am I gonna do with the sides? I'm gonna just generative fill the whole like part that's not being touched, you guys. Don't really worry about that, you know. If you guys wanna try something out like this, just go to your local, you know, thrift store or something like that and just find you a whole bunch of pairs of jeans that you could use, or ask all your friends together and they could just come together and give you a pair of jeans that they might not be using. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. All right, bet. Okay, so come over more like that, yeah. Literally like that, that's cute. Yeah, just like that. There we go. There we go, yep. Hold it, let me see, yes, hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yes, 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Separate your leg a little bit more, so like, when you're sitting like this, maybe like this. Like change it up so they're both not the exact same. Give it like a little bit more, like personality, all right? Yes, do it like that. You're literally like that. I love that. And then try to like push yourself. Yep, there you go. Suck it in, sister.
Thank you.
Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, one more. Yes, one more. Oh, that's cute. Turn yourself a little bit more. Like put your foot at the edge of it, right there, boom. And now just turn a little bit. Yep. There we go. Yes, there we go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. Play with the hair. Bring your head up a little bit more. Just like, let me see. Hold it. Right there, and I just go through your hair. Like in that same like little spot.
This side or this side?
Left side. Yep. Yes. There we go. Hold it. Oh, look off that way. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That. So literally, I want you to be straight on and kind of like, so you're gonna kind of like lean yourself to here. Like, so it's gonna be just your back touch, your top of your back touching. Don't do like this. Have the top of your back touching and you're gonna have like one like this. So it's kind of like one leg in front of the other. Yep, there we go. Hold it, let me see. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. Yes, it's cute. Hold it. Bring that knee out a little bit more. Bam. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Look off like that way, like have that hand here, and then like you're like looking to the side. To your right. Yeah, like that, boom, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yes, there you go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, yes. Give me a little bit of eye contact right here. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Bam. Now I kind of want you to turn put your legs like to your side. So like you're gonna be kind of like hugging the wall. You can't really like see me. Like you're gonna be like this. Yep. Put that left knee up and put it against the wall. Yeah. Put it straight up like that. Yeah, that's good. And then like you're gonna be leaning against it, and you can go like that. Yep. And then just push it out. Unsync yourself. You got it. Just. Yeah. There you go. 3, 2, 1. So you guys, what I did was I brought her a little bit closer to the background, which is the texture that we have, which is the jeans, which is the whole point of the shoot, right? So I brought her a little bit closer to it to immerse herself kind of in it a little bit more, so that way it looks more like she is a part of the jeans. When they're like separated away, it's gonna make the background feel less significant and less important. So I brought her closer to make that background feel more important, like feel like that's the whole reason of the shoot, that's the point of the shoot, that's why we're here, right? So bringing her to the background brought it together, and it makes it a little bit more like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and then when it comes down to compression, if you zoom in all the way and you back up, it'll make your, I don't want to say make it look bigger, but it'll spread everything out, because you guys know how focal lengths are. When things are wider, things get more warped out, and when things are more compressed, it gets tighter and closer. So I'm gonna do some tight shots right now and see what we can get. Okay. 3, 2, and 1. Yep. So this tight compression really does help me out, you guys. I'm backed up all the way. You guys can't even see me right now. And I'm backed up super far. There we go. Yep. Just to get that compression on the full frame, 70 millimeters. Yes. There we go. Yes. There we go. Now just like, ooh, I like that. 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 Eye contact with me. Look over here. Yep. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Yep. One more. 3, 2, and 1. There we go. So literally, you guys, when doing so, just kind of go up and down on your settings. You know, play around with it the way that you see fit. Like, do you feel like you need more focus and like less focus on the pants and more focus on them? Do you feel like you need like more focus? Like, is it really like less or more? Like, do you feel like you need either or? Do you feel like you need a different angle? How can you change this up? How can you play with it? Just play around with it the way that you feel is best, right? So I kind of like, that's kind of cool. Like, you look like relaxed. I kind of like, let me capture that real quick. Don't try too hard. Yep, there we go. Look off that way. Yep. Bet. Literally what I'm thinking now is I kind of want, I don't know, I kind of want like, can you go be upside down? Like your legs like up?
Like laying down?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Like laying down, and then like your legs are just like up. Yeah, like that. There you go. And like put them up all the way. I'm just trying to have fun with it, you guys. Always have fun with your shoots, man. Don't try to get too serious about it. Have fun with your shoots, man. Always have fun with it. I'm bringing these a little bit closer. There we go. And I'm gonna go in here and get some detail shots, you guys. I love the detail. I'm gonna show the jean, show the tattoo, show the foot, show the closeness of everything. Just showing like the texture of all of it. Hold it. Yep. Hold it. Just showing the whole of everything. Hold it. Yes. Yo, see, look. There we go. Hold it. Don't move. I love that. Hold it. Yeah, that's cute. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Hold it. There we go. One more. Don't move. Hold it. There we go. All right, you're good. You can go. Always get creative, you guys. It's always gonna be something to do to have a little bit of fun with the shot, man. I tell you guys always try to keep these videos kind of short, nice, and concise, just to give you guys some ideas and show you guys the behind the scenes on how these shots were created. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a lot of fun. It's a whole lot of gas. If you guys have any more ideas that you guys want us to create, if you guys want me to bring Bianca back, I'll bring her back. Be so raw, you know what I'm saying? So her Instagram is gonna be down below as well, as always. I love you guys. Until next time. So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now.
Until we meet again, I say so long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye,